What about the text on images? I have diagrams that I need to read the labels on, and the print is too small for me to read without enlarging the diagram, such as this diagram, Internal Organs of the Human Body from the Household Physician, posted on Flickr by William Cresswell on November 26, 2011. How can I read this? You can read the text on images by using the snapshot feature on the extension. The snapshot tool is on the lower row of tools, and has a picture inside a frame as the icon. Your pause, play, and stop features from the top row of buttons on the extension will work with the snapshot streaming. Let's look at an example from this human anatomy diagram. Number 14 is shown as two red pieces separated by number 15. What is number 15? First, click on the snapshot tool and then click and drag a rectangle around the desired text. When you release the mouse button, the OCR feature of Snapshot immediately starts the process. Once the OCR is completed, the text will appear in a separate rectangle that has the words highlighted as it is streamed.
Gallbladder.
See how easy that is? Now you give it a try.